Pleased with how the, are you recording?
So Liz and Neil decided that they wanted to change some doors out. They had actually in this wall, it was a totally screened wall. It was a wood framed wall with screen in it. So this was actually an outdoor room. Well, Liz had a baby. So Liz had decided, and Neil, that they needed to turn this outside room to an inside room so Clark has somewhere to play. So that was our job. And when we got here, these walls were all covered with real cheap paneling that came out of the big box store. It just did not look good at all. Plus, it was just an outdoor room. It had no air conditioning. So what we've done is we installed these doors. These are panoramic doors. They're my new favorite wall-to-wall door. They are excellent, and I was just testing them because there's today a very strong cold front that has blown in, and I wanted to see how these doors would work. They're on the north wall. There's probably a 35-mile-an-hour wind blowing. The temperature has dropped from 67 to right now it's 42, and it's dropped in about an hour and a half. So we got hit really hard. You can see these trees blowing. It's blowing really hard, and I wanted to see how these doors held up to that north wind, and I was super impressed. We have a tiny bit of air coming in at these seals, but I still think that they're going to require a little bit of time to kind of get set properly. They have to be used a little bit. They have to go through some heat as well as going through some cold and sort of get seated. And so they seal good. But all in all, we're very pleased with them, very impressed with their holding up to this north wind. The other thing that we did is Liz decided she wanted to get crazy with the tile and see if we could make the tile man have a nervous breakdown. And so we installed this tile backsplash, and these are LED lights. This is just the little strip light underneath. And I gotta tell you, I think it looks fantastic. The color looks fantastic. It really stands out in the room. It's a really great accent spot for the room. We've repainted, we re-sheetrocked, we put new trim up, and we put a mini split in here. Now, this is something I talk about on my show a lot. I love these mini splits because this is called a cassette, and this little cassette actually sits in the attic, and this is the air and heat. And so Liz did not want the cassette on the wall. You can get these where they're on the wall as well, but she didn't want that. So we put this in the ceiling. It was an option we had. We have all LED lights in here. So this room is always going to be comfortable, and that's it. So I wanted to just kind of give you an update on what we're doing. I have some pictures that will be published of the befores. I think I have a short video on the before, but that's our update today.